Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious jelly lollies. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, sugar, water, and your favorite flavorings or food coloring. Next, prepare your mold, whether it's a silicone mold or a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Accurate measurements are key, so have everything ready before you begin. This simple process will yield fantastic results. Now let's get cooking. In a saucepan, combine the unflavored gelatin with a small amount of cold water to bloom it. Then, add your sugar to the saucepan. Gently heat the mixture over low to medium heat, stirring continuously. It's important to ensure all the sugar and gelatin completely dissolve, creating a clear, smooth liquid. This step is crucial for a perfect lolly texture. Once your mixture is clear and smooth, remove it from the heat. This is where the fun begins. Add your chosen flavorings, like fruit extracts, and a few drops of food coloring to achieve vibrant hues. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your prepared molds or onto the parchment-lined sheet. Then, transfer them to the refrigerator and let them chill for at least 2 hours or until firm. After your jelly lollies are completely set, gently unmold them. If you used a baking sheet, you can cut them into desired shapes. For a non-sticky finish, you can dust them lightly with a bit of sugar or cornstarch. They are now ready to enjoy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy lolly making.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.